All right, let's find out what's happening in the real estate market with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Premier Properties.
Join us this morning. Fatma Yunus Zariq is with us, and the Fall Parade of Homes kicks off this weekend. Tell us a little bit about that and why it's such a great time to buy a new house.
Sure. I mean, spring is still the busiest time overall, but there's still plenty of action happening after Labor Day all the way through Christmas. So I believe it's a great time, to shop for a new home because there aren't as many people looking to move at this time of the year, so you wouldn't have as much competition as you would in the spring or the summer. Also, the interest rates are still great to take advantage of, and also it's just perfect timing to get into a new home for the holidays. So.
Tell us about the homes that Berkshire has in this parade of homes.
Sure. We will be showcasing 3 of our most popular homes. Now, keep in mind that, we're only showcasing 3, but we do have 12 homes ready to move in today. So the 3 homes are in West Fargo, and they range from the low 400s to mid 500s. And the first one, I don't know if you're going to show any pictures, but yeah, the first one is... this one is the Ashmore. It's number 28 in the Parade of Homes book, and it is a gorgeous 2-story home with 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3-stall garage with full landscaping. It's listed for $559,900, and features of this home are a gorgeous double-volume ceiling. The master suite is on the main floors, and you have 3 bedrooms up, so it's great for people who are looking for main floor living. Huge kitchen with a big island, so it's the entertainer's dream kitchen. Now, the other home we have is, which one you're going to showcase now? The Donnelly 2. It's another 2-story. This one is in Shadow Creek 3rd. It is 4 bedrooms up, 2.5 bathrooms, 3-stall garage, and as a bonus, we added a maintenance-free deck to this home. So it's a beautiful open floor plan, a great walk-through pantry. The master suite is to die for, with a closet for him and for her,
nice.
And a tile shower. And it is listed for $434,900. The last one, but not the least, is our Montclair floor plan. It's a fully finished Rambler in the wilds. It's listed for $419,900, and it is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3-stall garage, full landscaping, sod, sprinkler, the full package. And it has main floor living, so laundry on the main, and private bedroom wings, so it gives you, some privacy, and a beautiful lower level with a fireplace and an entertainment wall. So, definitely lots of choices. So we're very excited. Yeah.
So tell us about sort of the times and the big parade. So when can I go out and check out these homes?
Yeah, so it kicks off this weekend, tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. Then we will be there from noon to 5. And again, next weekend, October 3rd and 4th, from noon to 5. And it's totally free, and the weather is supposed to be awesome. So, we invite everyone, to come out and visit us.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And can we rattle off there's your phone number if people want to contact you.
Yes.
Can you throw out the website too?
Yes.
Or your email?
Yes, it's www.heritagefargo.com. All our floor plans are on the website. So, and we also have all the homes of the addresses. So, please come out and visit us. Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank
joining
you very
us.
much.
Good stuff.
Thanks.
When we come back, we'll be talking about a walk to help cure diabetes. Stay with us.